The Rockford Fosgate R152-S Component Speaker System offers a remarkable two-way audio experience with its 5.25-inch midrange and half-inch tweeter, delivering authentic sound quality. This system stands out with its Mica injected polypropylene cone, which ensures an extended frequency response and fits seamlessly into OEM installations. The Mylar balanced dome tweeter is designed to produce crystal-clear highs and allows for flexible mounting options, including flush, surface, and angle configurations. Installation is simplified with an inline crossover that connects the full component system, enhancing the ease of setup for both novices and professionals. The R152-S features Rockford Fosgate's renowned build quality, providing durability with a textured powder-coated finish and a shallow mounting depth. Backed by over 30 years of audio innovation, this speaker system embodies Rockford Fosgate's commitment to delivering superior sound performance for car audio enthusiasts.